Hi all, Plantside Agent here. Today we're going to take a look at this TI Artisan small titanium twig stove. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, let's get started. The reason I picked this up is when I got the Gritter Titanium Mess Kit, I was wanting a titanium stove to pair with it, and so I needed the lightness of titanium, and also I wanted one small enough that it would store inside the pouch that came with the, or the pocket on the pouch that came with the mess kit, or Canteen Mess Kit. So I went out on Temu and looked around. I found this guy, and it looked like it would do the job. So I went ahead and got it. So it's a, I like it. It's a nice little stove. It's the collapsible kind, that comes all apart. And a couple of the features on it I do like is that it comes with a tray underneath, a solid tray, so it would catch any coals and stuff that fall through the grate, so it doesn't fall onto the ground and catch the ground on fire. The other interesting thing about this is it came with trivets. A lot of these don't, so this will let you use smaller pots. Just for comparison, here's a foldable stainless steel model, and it doesn't have a grate on the bottom, obviously, and then it didn't come with any trivets. So that's a nice feature for this one over this one. And this one's considerably lighter, and the way it is, this guy is 3.8 ounces or 108 grams, where the comparable size stainless steel one is going to run you, this one's 6 ounces or 171 grams. So, and another little feature I like about, well, I guess, I don't really know why they did it. Like I said, it came with the trivets, and the trivets have slots. Pull them out here. I'll just use this one. They had two different cutouts in the slots. In the big one, it will fall in here and nest flush, if you can get it in here, with the top of the stove. Or you can flip it around, and then it raises it up a little bit, so it gives you a little bit gap so the flames. This is probably especially good running an alcohol burner in here, so that you could have the alcohol, the heat can come out and around the pot easier than trying to work its way out of these side holes in front. I don't know if you've ever seen that. If you have a pot that pretty much covers the whole burner, it would make it easier to get the heat to come out and around. I get a more efficient burn that way. Why you'd have it all the way down flat, I don't know. Maybe if you're just cooking on coals, I don't know. But anyway, you have that option if you want to use it that way. Let's see. Yeah, take it apart for you. It comes with a bag, which is a good thing because it's got a lot of pieces, a lot of pieces to lose. Oops. They just fall apart once you loosen a couple of sides. They'll just fall apart. Just stack all these guys on here. Put them in the pouch. Trivets. There we go. And then it will fit in my pouch for my Canteen Mess Kit. So that's exactly what I wanted. So one of the things, I'm going to try to pair it with an alcohol burner. So I'll cover that here. I'll put this back together for you. You can watch me fiddle with it. That's always one of the things that comments on these type of stoves, is they can be a little fiddly to put back together. So the way I found that it works best is to take the back piece, put that in, then put in the other side. You can see that. Put the other side in, and then you can take the bottom slot. This one only has 2 slots. Some of these stoves will have like 3, which makes it a little bit more. This one doesn't, but some of the bigger ones will have like three 3 ears to put it in. This one only has 2. I think the smaller ones tend to only have 2. Looks like this stainless steel one only has 2. Anyway, so you can just put this in the bottom slot and kind of hold it with your hand so it doesn't get away from you. Then take the grate, my standing frame here, just pop him in, fiddle with him. Come on. See, that's why it's a little bit fiddly. And if you're trying to set this up in a snowstorm or some cold hands, you might might be frustrating. Anyway, then you just hold it snug so it won't get away. Then, since you don't have to slot this into anything, you can just lay it on top and slide it right down, and there you go. And you can put in your trivets. Where's the other one? Oh, there he is. I'm missing one, still in the bag. Anyway, like I said, the trivets have 2 different sides on them, a long and a short. So we'll go with the short. So there you go. Now, I'm not sure how this is going to hold up as far as when you start burning in it, whether it's going to warp or not. So time will tell on that. But yeah, I like that bad little stove. I was thinking I would like to have the option of using alcohol instead of twigs. I was trying to think of what kind of a burner I could use on it. And originally I was thinking grab one of my 1 ounce alcohol burners. These things weigh absolutely nothing, but the problem with that is there's no way I could really set it in here and then get that gap that you want with an alcohol burner, the sweet spot, which is 3/4 of an inch to 1 1/4 inches, somewhere in there, inches. You get the best burn out of it. It's just I'd have to add more stuff to stack it up to get it up high. So I don't know. I wonder if these would go through like this. Just thinking about this. Oh, hey, I just figured this out. I wondered when I got this, I wondered what this other slot was for. And I just found out myself, so I'll just save you having to go through the thinking process or not thinking process. Yeah, maybe that's why you got these 2 different slots, so you can move the gaps. So, that, by golly, that's gonna work. That'll give me. I'll be darned. I'll be darned. You know, sometimes these stoves will come with slots so that you can put like a Trangia in it. It catches the ears on these Trangias, and they'll fit in there. And this one didn't have it. So anyway, that's going to fit. Let me get my ruler out real quick. Come here. I'm sure that's right in the old sweet spot. Oh yeah, there's an inch right there. And if you, well, of course, and the other problem, if you do it this way, then you're not going to be able to use the trivets for a smaller pot. But for what I've got planned, that won't be a problem. This is going to work out just fine for this setup. So, well, what do you know? I just answered that. After I didn't think about putting these trivets down here in the, I don't know, did I show you guys that? Yeah, I didn't think about using these trivets like this. And I went ahead and ordered found a titanium version of the Trangia. It has a lid and everything. I ordered that and it's on its way. And I was going to use that, but I don't think I'm going to have to do that now. I'll probably wind up using that burner in another kit somewhere else, because I can take this thing, which weighs nothing, and also I might be able to get it to fit in the pouch here or in the top or someplace on it. So yeah, it weighs nothing, so I'll keep my weight down, and perfect. So I'm pretty happy with that. Works pretty good. Let's see. I can't think of anything else. Kind of rambled on, hit or miss. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.